welcome remarks. So we expect very fruitful discussion in the next few hours. No? So thank you very much, CMC. And this, our next lady guest, it's a personal honor to introduce this one. Because we met for the first time maybe 10 years ago.
Yeah.
And she hasn't forget that
In Malaysia City.
chocolate in Malaysia City Games. Now the tandem with you has earned, a lot of accolades for gymnastics. Her leadership and values was owned at GAP. She exemplifies service, excellence, and unwavering dedication. Her tireless efforts have been instrumental in bringing this event to life. Please join us in welcoming GAP Secretary General, Ms. Rowena Liusunia. Welcome, everyone.
Yes, good morning everyone. Thank you, Randy. Thank you, Judith. As always, you are welcoming Gymnastics Association of the Philippines in your PSA forum to promote our program. So, I think nasabi na po ang presidente ko ay Inglesera, ako hindi. So, ako na lang ang magtagalog. Okay? Kasi I think lahat dito naman nagtatagalog, no? So, yun. Thank you po ulit. Nasabi na po ni Ma'am Cynthia na intro na niya ang aming event, upcoming event in Tagaytay this coming August 4 to 7 in Velodrome. Of course, ang host city ay Tagaytay, no, through the support of POC President Bambol Tolentino and Mayor Tolentino. Okay. And Vice Mayor Agnes. I think yung role ko talaga today ay mag-introduce ng aming audiovisual presentation. So, hosting the Asian Championships is both an honor and responsibility. It reflects the confidence of the international gymnastics community in the Philippines' ability to organize world-class sporting events. This championship is also an opportunity to showcase our country, not only our capability to stage international competitions, but also the warmth of Filipino hospitality and the beauty of our host city, Tagaytay. To officially set the stage for what awaits athletes, officials, and fans this August, we invite you to watch our official championship audiovisual presentation. Let's watch this.
for that very nice presentation. Now we go naman to help us better understand the sport, diba? And the scale of this championship, what everyone can expect when Asia gathers, okay, in Tagaytay. We now call on another guest, okay, another presenter, and she is serving as the International Relations Coordinator of the Gymnastics Association of the Philippines, and likewise the head of the accreditation for the 2026 Aerobic Gymnastics Asian Championship. Let's all welcome Miss Bea Yusura.